JavaScript Substring, a comprehensive guide. In JavaScript, the substring method is used to extract a substring from a string. A substring is a part of a string, starting at a specific index and ending at another specific index. The substring method takes two arguments, the starting index and the number of characters to extract. The substring method returns a new string, which contains the extracted substring. The substring method is a very versatile tool, and it can be used for a variety of tasks. In this JavaScript substring, we will take a comprehensive look at the substring method. We will discuss the syntax of the method, the different ways to use it, and some of the common pitfalls to avoid. Syntax of the substring method. The syntax of the substring method is as follows. If an index is not specified, the substring method will extract the substring up to the end of the string. For example, the following code will extract the substring from the string hello, world. Different ways to use the substring method. The substring method can be used in a variety of ways. Extracting a substring from the beginning of a string. Extracting a substring from the end of a string. Extracting a substring by specifying a negative index. Common pitfalls to avoid. There are a few common pitfalls to avoid when using the substring method. If you do not specify the end index, the substring method will extract the substring up to the end of the string. Using a negative index that is greater than the string length. If you use a negative index that is greater than the string length, the substring method will return an empty string. Using a start index that is greater than the string length.